Welcome to another episode of Rested Recreation. So this video needs a little bit of setup. It was shot back in June of 2025. It's my first rallycross event that I ran in. It was the third event for the St. Louis region SCCA rallycross. So just set it up a little bit. I shot a little bit of B-roll on the way out there, so you get a little bit of travel footage, a little bit of the countryside here in Missouri, and and the rally event that I didn't talk to the camera at all.
Good?
Felt better than the first time.
Hey, dude. Oh, yeah.
Brakes are super grabby on it. Nothing leaking?
Say what?
Nothing leaking or falling
Yeah,
off?
I don't see. Yeah. Tires all got wind on them. The bumpers are all on. I don't see any fluid.
Cool.